Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we will start the first chapter of botany plant anatomy. Nogeli, the father of modern plant anatomy. The father of modern plant anatomy is Nogeli. The father of plant anatomy is Crew. There is a mnemonic for Nogeli to remember it. N refers to Nogeli, A refers to anatomy, father of modern plant anatomy, and M refers to the meristematic tissue. He also coined the term merismatic. That's why Yan A Yami added Yan A Yami. Yan refers to Nogeli, A refers to anatomy, and Yan E refers to the merismatic tissue. Let's discuss about the plant tissue. Plant tissue mainly divided into two types of tissue: merismatic tissue, foramen tissue. Merismatic tissue is the primitive tissue. From merismatic tissue, the foramen tissue is formed. The power of cell division. Merismatic tissue have the power of cell division. It divided into many cells. Small, very small, compact. Primary cell wall is very thin. Secondary wall is absent. Nucleus is its center and it is very large. No reserve food material is found in merismatic tissue. On the basis of origin, merismatic tissue is divided into two types of tissue: primary merismatic, secondary merismatic. Primary merismatic present since beginning, developed from the promeristem. Seeds germinate. Secondary merismatic form later on the demand. It is only found in dicot because to increase the growth of the dicot plant, they need secondary merismatic types of tissue. But there is no demand of secondary merismatic tissue in the monocot. That's why in monocot, secondary merismatic tissue is not found, but primary merismatic tissue is found in both monocot and dicot. It helps to increase the height. It helps in the primary growth. It helps in secondary growth. And then on the basis of position where they are found, the merismatic tissue divided into three types of tissue: apical merismatic tissue, intercalary merismatic tissue, and lateral merismatic tissue. Primary merismatic and secondary merismatic tissue. In primary merismatic tissue, apical meristem and intercalary meristem comes under the primary merismatic. In secondary merismatic tissue, lateral meristem is common. Let's discuss about the apical merismatic. Api refers to top. Growth in the length. Apical meristem help to increase the length. Pseudapical. After the work, no consume of apical merismatic, but intercalary meristem is consumed. This is a quiescent cell. Root cap is generated by the apical merismatic. Root cap. Quiescent cell help in the oxygen synthesis. More oxygen is synthesized by the quiescent cell, which is not dividable cell. Root cap is generated by the apical merismatic. Monocot plus dicot. Both apical meristem. Apical meristem is found in both monocot and dicot plants. Monocot, intercalary. Dicot tree, leaf of dicot. Apical meristem. Calyptrogen. Root cap is also generated by the apical meristem, so calyptrogen. In Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, there is single cell of apical meristem, and in higher plants, group of cell is present. In grants, no apical meristem. Intercalary merismatic tissue. Second one is intercalary merismatic tissue, which is found between the two foramen cell. Between two foramen cell, intercalary merismatic tissue is found. Two types of tissue, foramen, and here is intercalary merismatic tissue. In between the foramen tissue, intercalary merismatic tissue is found. Base of internode node. They are responsible for primary growth. Intercalary merismatic is also responsible for primary growth because it comes under the primary merismatic tissue. Intercalary merismatic tissue only found in monocot plants. After consumed, they self-restrict, no unlimited growth. That's why grass size is small due to no unlimited growth. They are consumed. They are self-restrained after their use. And third one is lateral merismatic tissue. It is present sidewise, like it is present sidewise. Only in dicot. It is also found only in dicot. Secondary growth. It is secondary in origin. Lateral merismatic tissue is secondary in origin, where the intercalary and apical are primary in growth origin. Vascular cambium, co-cambium, they are also formed after the re-differentiation. Primary meristem, apical intercalary. फर्स्ट डिग्री मेरिस्टेम भनेको प्राइमरी एपिकल मेरिस्टेम एन्ड इंटरक्यालरी मेरिस्टेम. डिफरेंशिएशन and form primary permanent tissue. Primary meristem after differentiation form primary permanent tissue. Primary merismatic tissue after differentiation from primary permanent tissue. It's happened monocot and dicot both. In primary permanent tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma, estherenchyma, primary xylem, primary phloem, primary medullary rays comes. Again, dicots differentiate into secondary meristem and form procambium, vascular cambium. Again, it re-differentiate and form secondary permanent tissue. Primary meristem, primary permanent tissue. Secondary meristem, secondary permanent tissue. Secondary xylem, secondary phloem, secondary medullary rays are formed after the re-differentiation of dicot plant. Differentiation and re-differentiation is not found in monocot plants.